If you have all your addresses in one single row like this, but you like to stack the address so that you can use it for shipping packages, this is how you do it. Select all your address, then you press Ctrl H to open up Find and Replace pop-up window. Make sure you're on the Replace tab here, and in Find What, we're going to replace comma with new line, and the character to new line on your keyboard would be Ctrl J. As soon as you do that, you should see a blinking pixel or a blinking dot on your Replace What text box. Once that's done, click on Replace All. I got 40 replacement done on my addresses. I'm going to click OK to close this pop-up window, and I'm going to close this Find and Replace pop-up by clicking on Close. Looks like nothing happened here, except we lost a couple of lines. To get all your lines, make sure you're in Home, click on Wrap Text twice, 1, 2, and there you have it. All your addresses are in multiple rows, and now you can use this for your shipping labeling.